So I tried this new product. I'm sure you've all seen it on Instagram and Facebook. I believe it's pronounced IL Makiage. And so I purchased two products. I did the try before you buy. I got the Power Up eye cream, and then I also bought some I Woke Up Like This. The packaging was really cute. Came in a small black box, white writing, which of course is great. Inside it had some positive messages, gave you some information and instruction on sort of application, and packaging was really cute. Oh, and included, my free gift was a scrunchie. A little disappointed, but I guess it's useful when you pull your hair up and put makeup on. I took a few clean photos of my face first thing in the morning just to kind of get a sense of what it looks like in the morning, if there's rosacea or dryness, just to capture it all. Later in the day, when I found the time, I decided to try the product. It was in the evening, so I kind of wanted to take an image of what my evening face looked like prior to applying any of the product. Again, I moved around in my bathroom where the lighting is different at the back of the wall versus directly under the light near the mirror. Okay, this is my face before I try the product. Right, looking at it sort of forward. I don't know if you can really see the dark circles, but there is a dark area there. I keep seeing. I started with the Power Up cream for the eyes. I used it on one eye. Can you tell which side I used it on? Here I applied the Woke Up Like This on one side of my face just to get a sense of sort of the before and after, or how it sits versus my natural face. After seeing the results, I didn't really notice a difference in the eye cream. To be honest, I felt like the eye I used it on, which, by the way, was my left eye, it seemed like it accentuated the dark circle area, which I really didn't like. So I think I'm going to return that product. However, the Woke Up Like This, I thought kind of gave me sort of a more polished side. Again, I don't really wear a lot of makeup. I don't do filters or anything like that. I embrace my beauty and whatever age I am. But I did kind of like the foundation, and I may keep it. Can you feel me?